everyone, myself Anugnesh Ravi. I am from CSM branch. I am here to explain the topic on the pointers. Let's take a overview one by one. First, pointer. Pointer is a variable which stores the memory access of another variable instead of storing it directly. Introduction of a pointer. Variables are used to hold the data values during the execution of program. Every variable, when declared, occupies certain memory locations. The address of operator is used to access and display the address of variable in order to store the address of variable. There is a need of using another variable which is called pointer. A pointer is derived data type in C language. Pointers contain memory addresses as their values, hence it is called as memory variable. Next, features of a pointer. It stores memory address, that is, a pointer does not store a value, instead it stores memory address of another variable. It gives direct access to memory. Pointers allow you to directly access and manipulate data stored in the memory. Efficient in memory usage. Pointers help in dynamic memory allocation, making programs use memories efficiently. It is useful for arrays and strings. Arrays and strings can be accessed easily using pointers because arrays use continuous memory. Supports dynamic memory allocation. Allocation functions like malloc, calloc, free work only with pointers. It is used for functions. Pointers can be passed to functions for call by reference, allowing functions to modify original variables. It also helps in creating data structure points which are essential to create linked lists, trees, graphs, bar graphs, queues and stacks and flowcharts. Pointer arithmetic support operations like increment, decrement, comparison, etc., making array transfer easy. Increases program speed. Using pointers can make program faster, especially when passing large data to functions. Null point concept points can hold a special value which null means nothing. Use of pointers. Pointers are used to pass arguments by reference for accessing array elements, to return multiple values, dynamic memory allocation, to implement data structure, to do system level programming where memory addresses are useful. Next, disadvantages of pointers. Uninitialized pointers might cause segmentation fault. Dynamically allocated block needs to be released explicitly, otherwise it would lead to memory leak. If pointers are updated with incorrect values, it might lead to memory corruption. Handling points mostly create difficult to diagnose errors. We can access the restricted memory area. Pointers are one of the additional dereference, meaning that the final code must read the variable pointers from memory, then read the variable from the pointed to memory. This is slowing reading the value directly from memory. Representation of pointers. It is shown as variable value address. That is, variable means number, value means the value which we enter, and address of the operator. Declaring a point. The pointer in C language can be declared using asterisk symbol. It is also known as indirection point, used to dereference a pointer. A pointer variable must be declared to type of a value pointed by it. Its syntax is data type, address of operator, pointer name. Initialization of a pointer. A pointer must be initialized properly to address of another variable. The default initial value of a pointer is null if it is not initialized. Syntax. Pointer name is equals to address of operator and variable name. Let us look at a program on the find the product of two numbers using pointer source code. Hash include stdio.h int main and brackets open int a comma b x star address of pa pb, and pa is equals to address of operator a, pb is equals to address of operator b. Printf enter any two integers. Scanf %d %d address of operator a, address of operator b. Next, printf product of two numbers is equals to percentage d star asterisk pa asterisk pb. Next, brackets close. Next, we will get an output as enter two numbers 30. Suppose we take 30 30, then the product of that numbers is 900. If we take, sorry,